Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is an old memory. I must have been maybe 9, 10 years old. We didn't have air conditioning in the house, and hot, God, it was hot. No air stirring, couldn't buy a breeze. Just you go to bed, it's hot, you wake up, it's hot, and that's why we stayed outside most of the time. It was cooler outside than just, you know, sitting inside. At least you catch a breeze outside. Well, we got 4 fans. My 2 sisters, my brother, and myself got a fan. I think my parents had fans too. Well, we always had all the windows open. That was a given for the house. Well, what we did, we played with the fans. I mean, these were steel fans. They'd take your finger off. We used to get up next to them and sing into them or say something. And so finally, I came up with an idea of, since we had uh, fans, we'd have one pulling air in from outside and one pulling air um, from inside and pushing it back out, just getting an air change. And that helped cool things down. At least we could sleep. And I'd go up, my sisters had the fan in their window, and I'd say something into it and scare them. I'd get in all kind of trouble about that, but that was about par for the course for my life, just scaring my sisters any way I could. But I still had one of those fans up until a few years back. It finally couldn't turn no more. But I've still got fans. I like keeping air stirring, and I'm not big on air conditioning. Air conditioning will make me sick in a heartbeat. So I prefer fans. So I got a ceiling fan, 2 of these box fans, and 1 upright fan, and I have them blowing in different directions in my bedroom and keep the air stirring. And I'll do that for. It starts getting pretty cold when I cut my fans off. And that was a long time ago, but man, those fans, they made it so much more tolerable. And the house I'm living in, it was 1989 when air conditioning got put in this house, and I put it in here. But I don't use it. There's so much to cool off, and with just me and the mutt, so I'll stick with my fans. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.